A high-converting marketing banner is not decoration, it's a visual sales machine that works in seconds. Today, how to design a marketing campaign banner in Canva. Start by creating a custom canvas size of 1920 by 1080, giving you a wide format perfect for digital ads and campaign visuals. Choose a bold gradient background like red fading into black or blue fading into navy, depending on your campaign mood and audience targeting. Open elements and add promotional shapes such as arrows, circles, or highlight bars to guide viewer attention toward your key message. Insert your main marketing headline using a strong font like